Hi, Jay Williams here with the Service Provider Mobility Team. Today I will show you how to use the Monitor Subscriber tool on ASR5500, Vpcdi, and VPC-SI platforms. The Monitor Subscriber tool provides the ability to trace control path messages and data traffic on a per-subscriber basis. For example, if you have subscribers not attaching to the network during call setup, you could use the Monitor Subscriber tool to see the exact messages that are sent to a PDN gateway. Or, say that you have a subscriber that is attaching to a network but not receiving the exact QoS treatment that you expect, you could use the Monitor Subscriber tool to see the control messages that are being sent between entities as well as the indicators of the QoS parameters for that subscriber. In either of these scenarios, we can trace a specific subscriber's control or data traffic as it crosses a specified interface and see the information that is exchanged. Use the Monitor Subscriber tool with additional log collection using 5 main steps. In step 1, we prepare to use the tool and to collect additional logs for later comparison. In step 2, we start the tool and modify its options. In step 3, we add traffic to the tool. In step 4, we stop the tool. And in step 5, we end additional log collection. If testing a specific subscriber with the Monitor Subscriber tool, it is recommended to put the subscriber device on airplane mode before beginning the test, as some of the logs will not be captured on an existing call if enabled while the call is connected. In step 1, we prepare for data collection. Using 2 separate terminal sessions, enter the local context of the same node using the context local command. We collect additional logs in a separate terminal session from that of the Monitor Subscriber so that we can separately view the outputs from each. We recommend logging your terminal sessions to a remote or local repository to aid in analysis. In the first terminal session, use the logging monitor configuration command to enable logging. These logs will help you to correlate the outputs of the Monitor Subscriber tool with internal processes on the chassis for the specific subscriber session. With this command, you must limit which subscriber is recorded by MSID, the MC, username, or IP address. In this example, I chose to limit the logging monitor recording by the MSID, the MC, of my test subscriber and press Enter to begin logging. In step 2, we start the Monitor Subscriber tool and modify the options available for capture. In the second terminal session, type Monitor Subscriber and press Enter. The most common ways to specify the subscriber for the Monitor Subscriber tool are MC, username, call ID, or by simply monitoring the control messages for the next incoming call with the parameter next call. In this example, I have a specific MC that I have predetermined to test, and so I press A and specify its MC. I then press Enter to start the Monitor Subscriber tool. With the tool up and running, you'll see a screen displaying a menu of options available for capture. You will use this menu for reference when specifying how much and which information will show in the output of the test. Some options will already be marked on by default. For each option describing information that you would like displayed on the Monitor Subscriber output, press the letter or number corresponding to them to toggle them into the on position. The options you will choose will relate to the type of information that you want to gather for your specific situation. Because I want to test for subscribers that are failing to attach, I will select the following options to gather information relevant to the attach procedure. I would select S because I want to know information about the sender of the messages that my gateway is receiving. I would select 19 because I want to see layer 3 data for my user. I would select 26 because I would like to see GTPU data in the messages that I'm receiving. Had I been troubleshooting a QoS issue, I would also enable options 34 and 35 to see QoS traffic. Enable either A, PDU hex ASCII, or X, PDU hex dump, but do not use both options at the same time to avoid issues. The last parameter that we will specify in the Monitor Subscriber tool is verbosity. Verbosity simply means the amount of detail that you are specifying the test to produce. The level of verbosity will increase for the test with each press of the plus symbol. For simplicity of this demonstration, I will use the minus key to decrease the verbosity level 1. We are now going to generate traffic that our monitor subscriber tool can capture. For any who are testing for a specific subscriber, this is the point at which you would take the phone off airplane mode and generate a simulated call flow in a separate program. This will allow the attach process for that subscriber to begin. When traffic that matches the criteria comes into the node, it is recorded on screen. As I initiate a call by my subscriber, we see here information printed for that call. As the call ends, we see that indicated as well. Should you wish to modify the options and want to redisplay the menu, simply press the Enter key. To exit the Monitor Subscriber tool, press the Q key. In Step 5, we end the additional logging monitor collection. In the first terminal session, remove the logging monitor command by simply placing a No in front of the previously used logging monitor command. Then exit the global config mode. By inputting show logs and piping for more, we can print the results of the logging monitor that we collected. As previously indicated, if the session is logged locally or remotely, these logs will be saved for easy comparison with the monitor subscriber tool output. Thank you for watching.